Alright, knife heads. So we're getting some gas. Me and Sissy here. We runned out and I got something I want to show you guys. So stay tuned. So y'all know your boy can't go to the gas station without a root beer mug. Then I snuck and grabbed me a cheeseburger. Come on. Knife heads, welcome back to the Knife Nut channel. You hear? So today, what we're going to be talking about, it's like an unboxing, I guess you could say. It's not in the box, but I have not opened it yet. I know what it is, but I'm going to tell you a little story behind this. See, I've been hunting ever since I've got into these GEC pocket knives. I've been hunting a 44 gun stock. Well, I had one. Not in my hand or nothing like that, but I had one. It got lost in the mail. So the guy, he give me my stuff back. And yeah, can't find one nowhere. Everywhere I look, nothing. Can't never find one. So if any of you guys out there has got a 44 GEC, I don't care what the handles are, nothing like that, but I'd be willing to do some trading with you, whatever. So GEC come out with this little jewel. And let's just say I had to have it. I don't know if I'll be able to open this up with my fingers, because it ain't never been open. Let me get a knife. Do a little cheater here. There we go. So this is the smaller version of the 44. And it's the 22. Comes with a little pin. Come on. Stick that back in there. It's still wrapped up. Got the thing for it don't rust. All that good stuff. So let's check it out. This is the 22 gun stock in red. What is it? Red bone, red synthetic, something like that. Yes, I went with the clip point. Y'all know I'm a clip point freak. I'd rather have a clip point than I would anything. But this is a three fingers. Truth be known, they're probably making something else bigger, and this is probably the leftover stuff, and they just figured they'd come out with something small to use up all the material, which I'm fine with. Got this bad boy here. So it's the gun stock 22 with half stops. It's 1095 carbon steel. Tank of a knife. It's tank of a knife, son. Well, guys, that was my unboxing. I figured I'd give you my thoughts on it. Let me get it in hand and I'll give you my thoughts. Just keep in mind it's not a review or nothing like that. It's just my thoughts on what I think about the GEC 22 gun stock single blade. Now they make two versions. They got the clip point, what I got, and they got the Warncliffe. I elected to go with the clip point, and I couldn't be more happier. Now, keep in mind the Warncliffe was cheaper, so I would have probably been better off to going with the Warncliffe, but I didn't. I spent the extra $5 for the clip. But my thoughts, I really like it. You know, it's got brass pins. It's got brass liners, but no gaps. It's really small, so it'll make for a good fifth pocket carry. That way, if you ain't got nothing on you, but you got this in your fifth pocket, you could do anything you wanted to do with it. I like how it's like a dog head where it ain't got no bolster on the back. They usually don't put one on the gun stock, but I guess that's what I like about them the most. And that I want its big brother really bad, the 44. Let me pause you real quick and let me open this blade. No tripod. Come on. Straight down Broadway. The way Big E likes it. Come on. Y'all, I really dig it. If you guys ain't got the budget to get a bigger GEC, and you got the budget to get a smaller version, I would say get this one or the 49 or the 93. Them three. It's my three favorite smaller GECs. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is going to go up this evening on my members only, the Classy Knife Heads. Then the following day, it'll go up to the public. Y'all, stay classy. You hear?